as I have invested 1.5 years and not focused on my current IT job. Now I'm 2019 pass out. Now here's the thing, Garvit. You have to look at only one thing that is going to give you a clear-cut litmus paper test. All right, what is that? Look at what was your previous GATE score. That is probably this year would be GATE 2020. Okay, if you haven't even given GATE 2020, then the category is same that you have scored very poorly in GATE 2020. Okay, because you are out of touch. But if your score has been less than 50, all right, less than 50 marks, then now would be a good chance to not focus towards GATE examination that much. But also at the same time, I would say that you are having a job already, right? And most likely it is not a job that would go away because you're not performing that well. I understand when you're preparing with a job, you are most likely going to perform very poorly in your job. I've done that, so I know that, right? Now, if that job is going to fire you if you do not perform well, then I would say just forget about GATE preparation. Focus on your job, because these days jobs are very rare. All right, it's becoming more and more difficult. But if that is not an issue, for example, people who are working in TCS, I do not think they are under threat of getting fired. Let me know, TCS people, down in the comment section, what is the situation. But there are jobs in which you are not going to get fired. You might be getting lesser hike or lesser chances in promotion. That might be the case. But if you're not getting fired, I would say 100% go towards GATE examination or ECE examination or BARC or ISRO examination, because you do not have much to lose. You can move from 50 marks to a position where you can get into BARC. I got 50 marks in GATE 2016, and in 2017 series I was able to get into IT Bombay and BARC, right? So that is also very, very possible, but you will have to work extremely hard. Now this is what I did in BARC training school. In 2017 I got rejected in ISRO, but I worked extremely hard with a job and I performed very poorly in that job. There used to be a proper ranking and I came last over there. That means that I risked the job that I'm having right now, but I was able to crack ISRO. But in the worst case scenario, if I would not have cracked ISRO, I would still have a job in Department of Atomic Energy. It would be a poor placement, but still I would be having a job. So it depends on you if you want to take that risk. If your job is at risk, then I would not say that you should do that. Focus on your job right now. Also, if you're scoring above somewhere around 70 marks in GATE 2020, you have already scored that much, I would say that you have a very good chance. So you should focus on your competitive examination. And I say competitive examination and not GATE examination, because here's the thing. Now only 2 or 3 PSUs are properly left in your GATE examination, that too with very less seat. You should not forget about ISRO and BARC, because ISRO, especially for electronics and communication engineering, a lot of seats are there, almost equal to mechanical engineering, almost equal. Like if mechanical will be having 45 seats, ECE will be having 40 seats or something like that, right? So a huge amount of recruitment is going on for ECE, so do not forget about that in ISRO. And in BARC also you guys are having good chance, like 10 to 15 seats will be there in BARC, right? And BARC does recruitment every year. So you should focus on that also. That is like 50% of your chances of getting selected. You should not completely forget about that. And for you to get selected in ISRO or BARC, the preparation is not 100% connected towards your GATE preparation. You have to study a little bit extra. So don't forget about that. Solve your previous year questions of ISRO as well, right? Also, I would say that PSUs have to create profit. And your BARC, ISRO or DRDO, these are central government organizations. These are research organizations. Like that is why they were created. They do not have to actually show profit. And a situation where lockdown is there, the profit is definitely going to get hit by every organization, for every organization, right? So PSUs are going to suffer. Over there, there might be decrease in recruitment. Yes, there might be a decrease in recruitment in ISRO and BARC also, but the chances are less if you're looking for that. So right now, it is going to be a very big mistake if you completely eliminate that opportunity. All right, so don't only focus on GATE if you're going for competitive examination, also focus for BARC and ISRO. Okay, I hope I was clear, Garvit. This question had 10 likes, so I was most likely able to please all 11 of you. Now next, how to improve calculation skills in numerical. Okay, here's the thing. I've already made a video on how to increase numerical solving skills, but this question is very